Hey everyone, welcome to Viola's channel. Today I'll show you what to do if you can't connect to a Minecraft server. Yes, it says. So it's a server connection error. First I want to say it's likely just an error in the server's IP address. Make sure you've entered this line correctly. If you entered it wrong, the server won't let you in. There. Next, make sure the server itself is running, okay? If it's not running, you'll have the same problem. The next step is to restart Minecraft. Click exit and log back in. If that doesn't help, you'll need to flush the DNS. To do this, open the start menu, type cmd, open it and type ipconfig/flushdns, then press enter. That's all. This was Viler. Like and subscribe to the channel. Have a good one. Good luck to all. Bye everyone.